All right, so in 5-9, we're learning fractional equations, and fractional equations are like things with variables on the bottom, or like polynomials on the bottom, and to solve these, you multiply by the lowest common denominator. And so usually these end up with quadratics, and you need to plug them back in. And this example plugs in, and we find out that one works and one doesn't.
So for problem number 1, we multiplied everything by 2x because it was the lowest common multiple, and that became 4 minus 1 equals x, which is the same as x equals 3.
Okay, so this is problem number 25. For this, we multiplied by the lowest common denominator of x plus 1 times x plus 2, or x minus 2 actually, and we solved it out to get a quadratic, which we then plugged back in, and we found out that the two numbers that we got didn't work at all, so we got no solution. Okay, so now we're going to start talking about some practice word problems. This one's number 5 on page 240. A town's old street sweeper can clean its streets in 30 hours, and the old and new sweepers, working together, can clean them in 7.5 hours. How long would it take the new street sweeper, working alone, to clean them? So for this, we know that our variable needs to be x, and that they need to be fractions.
So we formed an equation of fractions, and the equation was 1 over 30, 30 being the old sweeper, plus 1 over x being the new sweeper equals 1 over 7.5 because that was combined, and we multiplied everything by 30x because it was the least common multiple, and we did it out until we got x was equal to 10.